Welcome again to the Sign-On Express demo video series. In this demo, we will see the feature of predefined credentials in Sign-On Express. Predefined credentials give users, who would be the agents in our case, the seamless experience of logging into applications without giving login credentials, even for the first time. This adds another layer of safety, as passwords are not known to the agents. On top of that, the same ID can be set to be shared among a group of agents. Let's see this happening in this demo. To proceed with the configuration, you have to log in as Sign-On Express administrator. Enter your admin username in the indicated space. Enter your password. Click on the Sign In button to log in. This is Sign-On Express Administrator's dashboard. We will demonstrate the feature of pre-configured and shared user IDs using a help desk application, where different agents would use a shared ID, which is pre-configured for their accounts. In this case, they would not have to enter the login details, even for first time. The agents will not come to know the actual passwords used to log into the help desk application. Let's configure the application. To do so, type the name of the application in the application search box. As you type, a list of possible matching applications will appear. Choose the desired application by selecting it from the list, post which, you will be presented with a tab to view or modify the application. To configure this application for predefined user credentials, you have to scroll the page down till you find the entries of user ID field and password field. They should be near the bottom of the page. Select the option of Admin Provided Value. Then provide the value in the place indicated. In the password field section, select the option of Fixed. Then, enter the password in the place indicated. This password is neither accessible nor visible to the end users, in our case, to the agents. After that, scroll further down till you find the Update button. Click the Update button. Then click Proceed to complete the process. Now we will define which all user groups get access to this application. For that, click on the small Configure Application icon. This time, click on the Authorize tab. Now, let us authorize this application to the Active Directory group. Click Fetch OU button to fetch the OUs, then select the users from the drop-down list. Then click on the Fetch Groups button to see the available user groups, out of which you would select the user groups to whom you would authorize the application's use. In our case, we shall be selecting a group named IL_BPO_Acme Pro. Then, click the Add User Group button. Click on the Update button to update the application usage policy. The same will be displayed in a message after a successful update of the policy. Click on the Manage Application link to go back to the Admin Launchpad. Click on the Logout link to log out. Post-logout, close the browser window. Now, we will demonstrate how to add members to the user group in Active Directory, which has been authorized to use the application in the previous steps. Click Start. Click on the Configure AD Users link. This will open an AD Users and Computers window. Scroll down to the Users node in the left pane. Click on the Users node. Select the user group which is authorized to use the application. If you recall, it is IL_BPO_Acme Pro. Double-click on the selected user group to open the group's properties window. Click on the Members tab. Click on the Add button to add users as members to this group. Enter the name of user to add in the space provided. Let's add a user named John Doe. Let's add another user named Jane Rowe to the members. For this, click on the Add User button again. Click Apply to make the changes. Click OK to close the Properties window. Then, click on the cross to close the AD Users window. So far, access using predefined credentials has been configured for the application through the Sign-On Express administrator, and two AD users, John Doe and Jane Rowe, have been added to the group, which has been granted access using predefined credentials. Now let's see the feature of predefined credentials in action. Enter the username in the place indicated. Enter password. Then click Sign In. At this point of time, user named John Doe is logged in. We shall add the application to his Launchpad. Remember, we are doing this for the first time for John Doe. Click on the application category, Help Desk Applications. Click on the application to add to the Launchpad. Click on the link to go back to the Launchpad. To log into the application, click on it. Point worth mentioning is that the application directly logged in the user, though it was the first time that the user was logging into the application. This was possible because the set of predefined credentials had been already mapped to the group to which this user belonged. By clicking over the indicated link, we can see that the user has been logged in with the predefined user ID. This pre-configured user ID can be shared among a set of users who need to access the application without them knowing the actual password. Let another user named Jane Rowe log in to Sign On Express, who has also been configured to use the predefined credentials. Login process is same as before. Click to sign in. Let Jane add the application to the Launchpad by searching for its name. She adds the application to the Launchpad by selecting it out of the list of suggested applications. Then, from the Launchpad, she clicks on the application for the first time. As was the case with John Doe, Jane is also directly logged in to the application without providing the login credentials, even for the first time. This is because she is also mapped to the same predefined credentials which had been used to log in John. This time also, the user did not get to know the actual password. We can see it by clicking on the indicated link. Can you see the same pre-configured ID? So you saw how Sign On Express can give you a fine level of control over the login credentials. Hope you would have found the demo useful. Thanks for watching this demo. For more informative demo videos, you can subscribe to our channels on Vimeo and YouTube. For any other information, please visit our website www.ilantusexpress.com or www.ilantus.com.